Dear students, today I am going to discuss some physical questionnaire, some questions related to physics, which are related to MCQ, and it is related to very short type question answers of 1 marks question. The first question is describe the SI unit of Joule in terms of fundamental units. Solution is Joule is SI unit of work or energy. As work equals to force into distance, and that is equals to, instead of force, mass into acceleration, we write into distance, and therefore work equals to mass into, and acceleration is written as distance by time square into distance. So that is equals to mass into distance square by time square. So hence here unit of work is joule. So J joule equals to, for mass unit is kilogram, for distance square we will write m square, that is meter is the unit of distance, and for time it is second, so it is s square. So J equals to kg into meter square by s square, that is equals to kg meter square per second square. Second question is what is a coherent system of units? Answer is a coherent system is based on a certain set of fundamental units from which derived units are obtained by multiplication or division without introducing numerical factors. Third question is does magnitude of a quantity change with change in the system of units? Answer is no. Magnitude of a quantity does not change. Fourth question is can a body have zero mass and zero weight? Answer is no. Mass of a body can never be zero, but its weight may be zero. Fifth question is name two types of mass. Answer is two types of mass are inertial mass and gravitational mass. Sixth question is human heart an inbuilt clock? Answer is yes, because human heart beats at a regular rate. Seventh question is light year a unit of time? Answer is no. Light year is a unit of distance. Eighth question is what is the difference between small n, small m, comma, small m, capital N, and capital N, small m. So the answer is small n, small m stands for nanometer. And so 1 nanometer equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Small m, capital N stands for millinewton. And so 1 millinewton is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Capital N, small m stands for Newton meter. And next, ninth question is name any three units which can be used for measuring large masses. Answer is 1 slug equals to 14.5 kilogram, 1 quintal equals to 100 kilogram, and 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilogram. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.